Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'll be showing you how to make this look, the simple cut crease, so keep watching. So if you can hear that beep sound, that is my fan. Please bear with me. I'm doing an entirely different routine today. I normally start with my brows, but today I'm starting with my face first, then my brows and my eye. I go in with my ELF. I prime my face basically first. So I use my ELF SPF 20 sunscreen face primer. Then I go in with my foundation. I use my IMAN stick foundation in X3. After that, I go in with my concealer, Early Girl Pro Concealer in FAWN. I just blend it out with my beauty blender. Yeah, so concealer on one part does not get more than the one on the other side, so I just go from eye to eye. Then I go in with my contour. I use Early Girl Pro Concealer in Mahogany. So I just take little on my brush. Then I set my face using my ELF setting powder in shade. Then I set the remaining of my face with my Early Girl Pro Face HD High Definition Matte Press Powder in TOFFEE. Then I take my Early Girl Pro Face HD Powder, High Definition Powder in True Brown to dust out the setting powder. Really feel my brows. I was using my brow pencil. I'm basically going to outline my brow and just fill it in. I'm going for this natural looking brow, so I just fill in the spaces in my brows where I don't have hair. And then usually in an upward motion. Then coming towards the back, you let it sleep. I love thick brows. I don't know why, but I don't know. It feels more natural to me than the very thin ones, so my brows are always thicker than usual. Not usual, just thick. Can I take my Early Girl Pro Concealer in FAWN? For the under eye, I just use it to clean the brows. So I prime my lid. Eyeliner. I got this from ALIEXPRESS. I can't pronounce the name. So this outline the corner one. I use a light color which serves as base color. It also helps to blend in other colors, other eyeshadows coming in. I go back in with my Elegant Pro concealer to outline the cup crease area. Go into the purple. Basically just cleaning it to give it a defined part. For my under eye, I go back in with liquid eyeliner by Maybelline. I go back in with the color and then just sit on it. So guys, this is the final look. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new, and also if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much. Bye.